Okay, so in this question, we have some equation which involves matrices, right? And the question is find the values of x, y, and z. You can see x, y, z as the elements of the three matrices, right? So to find these values, we will have to simplify the matrices. So first of all, what you see 2 is multiplied in this matrix, right? So whenever some scalar, or in other words, whenever some constant is multiplied in a matrix, then the actual operation is that this constant gets multiplied in each and every element of the matrix. So after this operation of multiplication of 2, you should get a new matrix like 6, 2x, 0 and 2, right? Let us move on. So now you again see some scalar is multiplied in a matrix. So again you will get a new matrix in which every element of original matrix will be multiplied with 3. So you will get 3, 9, 3y and 6. This is your new matrix, and addition of these two matrices is given to be what? Z minus 7, 15 and 8. Now to proceed further, we will have to add these two matrices. So to add two matrices, the first condition is that the two matrices should be comparable. And by comparable, I mean that their order should be same, right? So in this particular case, the order is definitely same because first matrix is also of the order 2 cross 2, 2 rows and 2 columns, and the second matrix is also of the order 2 cross 2, 2 rows and 2 columns, right? So addition operation is possible, feasible. But how to add? If you have to add two matrices, then first of all the new matrix will be again of the order 2 cross 2, and which will have the elements which are sum of corresponding elements, right? So which means that the first element should become 6 plus 3, which is 9. Okay, the element at position 1 comma 2 should become 2x plus 9. This is 1 comma 2 position, first row, second column. What about this element at 2 comma 1 position? It will be 0 plus 3y, which is just 3y, and the last element will be 8. This is equal to given z minus 7, 15 and 8. This is equal to this matrix. So again, if you have to use equality operation, then first of all you should check that the matrices should be of the same order, otherwise equality is not possible. In our case it is possible, right? So now let us compare the corresponding elements. By equality of two matrices, the understanding is that the corresponding elements should be equal, right? So what are the equations that you get? You get first element 9 should be equal to z, so you directly get the value of z as 9, right? What else? If you try to compare the second element with the second element of right hand side matrix, you will get 2x plus 9 is equal to minus 7, which means that 2x is equal to minus 16 and x is equal to minus 8, right? This gives us the value of x. Let us compare the third element. Third element is 3y is equal to 15, which means that y is equal to 5. And the fourth element is equal in itself, which should be. If these are not equal, then we will say that the matrices are not equal and we cannot find values of x, y and z. But in our case, we are lucky enough to get equal values, so we will get values of x, y and z. X is minus 8, y is 5 and z is 9.